Hi guys, I am back with another great video. I hope you like the other videos that I've done so far, and this video is just a um, quick video about how I made that natural lace video, the one where my hair looked like it was growing out of my scalp. Well, this is how it started, you guys. A lot of people was asking me where the wig came from. Well, I made it, and I started with one of those Japanese swing caps, and I took and got some regular Kanekalon hair that you get from the store that costed me about $3.99 a pack. Then I got the longer pack, and I just cut it down, stretched the hair, and begin to hook latch it into my base. Well, I say hook latch because that's what it is. Some people say crochet. It is definitely not crocheting, people. If you guys knit or crochet, you know that this is not really crochet. I don't know why people started saying that. Maybe I'll make a video to let you guys know the difference. Anyway, back to the video. I've already showed you how I had the cap. Now the cap has some little white dots on it, and those little white dots are just a way for me to keep my place and to not go overboard with adding the hair. Once that was on, I sewed some lace in the front of it, and I'm just going to cut the cap off. And once I cut the cap off, I will ventilate the lace using the same hair that I used for the bag. It's real simple, you guys. If you're a ventilator, this is a piece of it's a piece of cake. Now, if you don't ventilate, well, you're gonna have to learn how to ventilate in order to make this wig. There's a lot of different methods you can do by using a small nitpicker to do it, but this one was done with a ventilating needle. So clearly you can see I've pretty much speeded it up because I'm not going to show the whole process of me ventilating, but this is me finishing up ventilating the hairline. And once I get done ventilating this hairline, I will cut the lace off the front, which I showed you in my other video, and then I will put it on my head. Now at the end of this video, I will definitely show you guys what it looked like if you did not see the other video, which I really hope you did see the other video. And the reason why is because the other video has a letter in it that's for the contest for the 2019 giveaway. So I'm hoping that you're watching these videos, all of them, and writing the letters, numbers, or words down. And for this particular video, if you guys are looking, I don't know if I don't know how it's looking, whether you can see close up. I'm speeding up the process because I really don't want this video to be long. But if you see, the knots are pretty small on this video. So yeah, just keep watching, and I'm hoping you're enjoying this wig. Look at there. It is so natural looking. Now, let me just say, before I continue on, I know I said I was going to give this letter out in this video, and for my subscribers, because you have to be subscribed to my channel in order to enter the contest. Sorry, I need you guys to be subscribed. I just can't let anyone join the contest because that's not fair for the hundreds of people who subscribe to my channel. The letter for this video is R. R, R, R. R like in rainbow. R like in rock. The letter for this video is R, like R. How can I say it any other way? I'm sorry. So yeah, so it's pretty much done, and this is what it looks like. I did have a pic of this in my other video, and at the end of this, I'll show you what it looks like on my head, and then afterwards, this video will be over, so I'm going to end it right now. Thanks for watching. I'm going to end talking right now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please turn on your post notifications so you will get the updates to the next videos to come. I've uploaded a lot of videos to this point, people. So yeah, stay tuned and please keep watching. Enjoy the video.